Hey guys, I've got a few important updates for you on the Blackout Beta that's about to happen in September. Call of Duty has announced that it's going to begin on September 10th, and it's going to be available on PlayStation first, and then the other platforms are going to follow. Well, just moments ago, Treyarch announced that the Blackout PC Beta is going to go live September the 14th at 10 a.m. Pacific time, and that's for people that have actually pre-ordered the game. If you've not pre-ordered the game on Battle.net on PC, then you're going to have to wait until the next day, September 15th. Then it's going to be open to everyone on PC. What's a little strange is that they have announced the PS4 release day and time and the PC release day and time, but they have not said anything about Xbox yet. Typically, Xbox is announced with PC or even before it, and with them not saying anything yet, maybe they're just not ready yet for that platform. I'll show you guys these release dates on a calendar. So PS4 begins at 10 a.m. Pacific time on September the 10th. That's a Monday. They've not announced how long PS4 is going to have access to it starting from that Monday, but I'm assuming it's probably going to run the entire week, seeing how PC is going to get it that Friday. And PC also has it on Saturday, so PS4 may have it the entire week and all the way through the weekend. So on that Friday, September the 14th at 10 a.m., if you have pre-ordered on Battle.net on PC, then you're going to be able to play. If not, then you have to wait until that Saturday, September the 15th at 10 a.m. It's going to be open for everyone that has access to a PC. Again, they've not announced it for Xbox yet, but if they follow the same pattern that they did for the multiplayer beta, then Xbox could expect to play it on that Friday, September the 14th at 10 a.m. Pacific time. I thought I'd give it a shot and ask Activision support if they knew when it was going to be available on Xbox, but they couldn't tell me anything. So far, all they've announced is the start date and time for PS4 and PC, and we do not know when Xbox is going to get it, and we do not know when this is going to end. Another important thing to know is that there is two ways to access this Blackout Beta. You need to pre-order Black Ops 4 through one of the platforms, either PS4 Store, Xbox Store, or Microsoft Store. For the people that have pre-ordered the game through those store platforms, then you're not going to need to mess with a beta code. You're going to have access to this Blackout Beta when it becomes available for download. If you've already downloaded the Black Ops 4 multiplayer beta back when it was available, then you don't have to do anything. They are just going to update this app and you're going to be able to go straight in and play it. But for those people that never messed with the Black Ops 4 multiplayer beta and haven't pre-ordered, I spoke to Activision support and they confirmed, yeah, you're going to have a beta code to get into this Blackout Beta. For the multiplayer beta, there was a lot of people that needed codes and they didn't pre-order and they didn't have access. And I think the Blackout mode is going to be even more popular for people to want to play. So it might be absolutely crazy, people trying to figure out how to get access. For people that haven't pre-ordered and don't have a beta code and never access the multiplayer beta, I will do my best to get more codes for you guys, and you're gonna have to go to this website here and click on the redeem code button. At that point, it should give you a token to enter in on your console of choice, and then you'll have access. But again, I'm gonna be trying to do my best to give away as many codes as I can, getting closer to the release of this Blackout Beta, and I'll be doing that on my Twitter @GirlGlitcher. Next thing I want to talk to you guys about is some information that leaked for the Blackout mode. This seems to be some pretty solid information, and this was found by Lime Tiger. Huge shout out to him. He posted the information on his Twitter, and I've got his Twitter page up here now if you guys want to go check out what he actually found. Looks like he's found the real information as to how many players there's gonna be, how we're actually entering the map, and then some more information about the weapons. It talks about how the player is going to be free falling and then have a parachute open, and then a parachute is going to close when the player lands. It also mentions that they are going to be doing the 100-player count for this mode for solo, duos, and quads. There had been a playtester that leaked some information on Reddit saying that it was around 65, and that's where they were during testing, but it looks like they are trying to max it out to 100, and it mentions up to 100, so it can't go past that. I've seen a lot of people concerned with server overload and lag and stuff like that, so that has always been a concern with even 18 players in a lobby. So I know a lot of people are going to be wondering how well it's going to perform with 100. Last thing Lime Tiger mentions is about the weapon rarity. It looks like it's going to be ranked by color, which is pretty standard from all the other Battle Royale modes. But I hope this helped you guys out, and we'll see you next video.